Alright guys, so last week we weren't able to finish welding in the wheel pan because we ran out of argon gas. So Andre asked me to go down and pick some up. So I went in and I got this bottle. I think it was like $400 for a refill.
400?
Yeah.
Dude, should have been like 50.
50? No, the guy, I have the invoice right here.
Dude, that can't be right.
Where can you get it for 50? I went to Jafar's Magic Lantern and it was 400.
What?
Yeah.
That's insane.
The guy said it's some good gas and it can solve all of our problems. Man, we're spending so much money on this car and it's just like a money pit. You know, sometimes I just wish this car was cheaper. 400 bucks for this. Did you just see that?
What?
What just happened? All our problems are solved.
What is it?
Wow. Looks like Jafar's gas solved all of our issues. Wow, let's check it out.
Dodge? Dude, it's a wagon? Pretty cool. Does it run?
Starts right up, no dieseling. Look at this. Revs past 4,000.
That's perfect.
Check engine light. We didn't have that before.
What is a check engine light?
Yeah.
Never heard of that.
Well, I guess let's fix it up.
Our buddy picked up this wagon recently and he asked us to diagnose some issues with the check engine light, and his windows aren't really going down.
So we have a way of trying to locate where the intake leak is. We're going to turn on the car and we're going to spray carb cleaner. What it should do is should start choking the engine out wherever there is a leak. So hopefully we can locate that. Guys, so we removed the hoses and we were kind of hoping that there would be a massive crack in here and that's where our vacuum leak would be. But to get to these hoses, we had to remove this guy just to get to the hoses. Once we removed it, we noticed that it's really just just doesn't feel right. It's just like a little flap and there's no resistance or anything. So we're thinking this is probably the issue. We checked some sources online and there's actually a rebuild kit for this to where you can beef it up to where it doesn't have this issue. So I think what we're gonna do today is temporarily see if we can JB weld it and then order the rebuild kit and then dig back into here and fully repair it. So hopefully this fixes our issue. So let's get into this. All right, so this is the DISA.
DISA.
So we're gonna remove
you gotta
this.
say it like really pronounce it.
DISA. So this is the DISA. I'm gonna remove this cap, and then see this little O-ring.
Yeah.
Gonna remove that. Okay. Move this vacuum valve, the arm that goes in and out. Okay.
Got it.
Yep.
Alright, so we popped out the pin, this thing.
Gently pry up on the pin in the top. Alright guys, so the issue is once we put it in there, it just doesn't hold. This thing, since it's plastic, kind of a poor design, it got stripped out. So we're just gonna glue it in there and it will be good. So there's a certain way that this goes to create full suction. So make sure you put it in the proper way. Yeah. I believe it goes this way and then closes that way. I'm going to use a little bit of grease. And I'm going to smear it here so then the JB Weld doesn't adhere to it that well.
It heats up.
Does it?
I think I would put more on the bottom so that when you push it in, it like expands around it.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, does it need to be straight or wide open?
Straight. The line after we put the valve on.
Okay, this is fully open. Precision is key for performance. High performance,
This is BMW.
high precision. Okay, let's go do the doors while this is doing its duty. Alright guys, so while the glue is drying on the DISA, we're gonna remove this door. So there's two Torx.
What size is that?
15, T15.
15.
And then there's clips on around the edges.
Oh, there's airbag.
Yeah, and airbag.
Thanks, YouTube.
If you can see, door handle's pretty loose right now. Grab it from the handle. Lift it a little bit. It's pretty much out.
Got it.
If you look on the side,
So we're gonna be reinstalling the battery in the front now. Because we have a video of installing it in the back.
Dude, new cars are so much better. They already come with the battery in the back.
They know.
BMW knew that we would do it. This is just for our airbag. Not to blow up in our faces.
Absolutely. Because we're deleting it. I mean, this is the part that blows.
So we can just cut those wires?
I'm not gonna touch this.
Probably on hooks. Right here.
No, don't.
Dude,
Please.
we're good. I promise. I'll do it.
I don't know, man. I don't want to touch with airbag at all, because once the light goes on, it's freaking pain in the butt to do.
It's not gonna go off.
Alright guys, so there's this little piece that broke off. So basically there's a cable with a little stopper, if you can see in there. So there's that little stopper. So this piece sat there and stopped it. This broke off, so then this piece would go up and down by itself and not carry the window with it. There's no way we can glue that in there. We'd have to replace the whole thing. So temporarily we just added a zip tie in there that holds it together and it goes up and down. So for now it'll work.
So this has been drying for like 2 hours, and if you pull this valve, you can see it works. We'll see how it holds up under vacuum though. But yeah, it seems to be pretty solid. Go Gorilla Glue.
Man, new cars are nice, but I kind of wish I had the old car back. Oh, nice. Nice. It's back. Yep. Still gotta weld it though.